Hello, trading is closed on August 28th, 2019. Let's go over our calls. Look for the pattern with the early low, which we got. Tomorrow's pattern has the early high. Said the commonest thing was a gap outside the day's range. We got that. Had this target. I thought it might not print, but it did. We have new targets from today's patterns for tomorrow. Unless we gap up, that's my call. Here we got an ultimate sell signal. We got the minimum. Don't have to get more, but usually you undercut this 28.69.05 low. You don't have to. We do have to return to 28.75.34, most likely by early Friday. Another false move higher, according to the system. Target's 28.79.9, most likely by tomorrow's close. Well, Wednesday's pattern we said hit the early low. We had mixed signals that usually leads to a gap outside the day's range. Wanted to see the end of brown wave 2. We're hoping to see an impulsive wave starting with a gap up. And we said if we did, we increase the odds when wave brown 3. Well, that didn't happen. And whereas yesterday I had some Fibonacci justification for saying this consolidation was over if we gapped up today, I just don't have the same Fibonacci signals at today's low. Well, Thursday's pattern has the early high. We could gap down first, of course. And absent a big early drop, it's usually a positive day with the high of day in the final hour. Failure is a straight line drop. I'm favoring these lower MEJT targets to print unless we gap up smartly. I don't like the fact that we rallied all day long, couldn't close over the highs. Unless we gap over them or clear them promptly, should see lower prices. What I really don't like was that today's rally was overlapping. It's not the impulsive move I like to see if the consolidation is over. The implication is the consolidation isn't over. Where it ends, I don't know. I expect to see lower prices. We're not obligated to close down. Remain somewhat hopeful that recent lows hold, but the longer we go without starting an impulsive rally, the more likely it is that these lows aren't going to hold. We'll take things a day at a time. Absent a gap up here, here are the targets. Optionally, we undercut this low too. We don't have a big drop early. We could still often rally into the final hour. But right now, today's action implies we're still in the consolidation, and I don't see a way this can be the start of an impulsive move at this time. And that's today's call.